I spent 5 years tracking every single latte, every train ticket, and every grocery receipt into a spreadsheet. I was budgeting, and I was miserable. Most finance gurus will tell you that the secret to wealth is restriction. They're wrong. The reason 80% of people quit their budgets in the first month isn't a lack of discipline. It's a flaw in the system. Today, I'm throwing out the spreadsheet. I'm going to show you the anti-budget, a system that forces you to save, makes investing automatic, and here's the best part, lets you spend the rest of your money with zero guilt. Traditional budgeting is like going on a crash diet. You starve yourself of fun for a week, then you binge spend on the weekend. It's psychologically exhausting. In the US and UK, we're dealing with the cost of living crisis and high interest rates. You don't need more stress. You need a system that works with your human nature, not against it. The anti-budget flips the script. Instead of worrying about where every penny goes, we focus on where the money must go first.
Here is the 3-step anti-budget framework. No complex math required. Step 1. The non-negotiables. Fixed costs. Rent and mortgage, utilities, debt minimums. This is your baseline survival. Step 2. The future self-tax. Savings, investments. Before you spend a cent on Friday night dinner, 10 to 20% of your income leaves your account automatically to an investment vehicle. If you don't see the money, you don't miss the money. Step 3. The guilt-free zone. Whatever's left, that's your money. Spend it on coffee, travel, or a new jacket. If you've automated the first 2 steps, you've earned the right to spend the rest without opening a single spreadsheet.
Now, this is where most people mess up. They try to do it manually. Don't. Set up your bank to move these transfers on the same day you get paid. Use a separate high-yield account for your savings, so it's out of sight, out of mind. Open loop. Now, you might be asking, what happens if I have a variable income? I've got a trick for that, which I'll share in a moment. But first, let's talk about the emergency stress test. The anti-budget isn't an excuse to be reckless. Once a quarter, do a financial audit. Use an AI tool or just a quick scan of your credit card statement to see if any subscriptions have crept up. It takes 10 minutes, not 10 hours. If you're struggling with high-interest debt, the anti-budget actually accelerates your payoff because you aren't trying to save. You've already done it automatically. You can throw any extra guilt-free cash at your debt to kill it faster. Financial freedom isn't about being a math genius. It's about building a system that lets you sleep at night. I've put together a free PDF anti-budget setup guide in the description below to help you map your percentages. Grab it, set up your automation, and stop living your life in a spreadsheet. If this made your financial life feel a little lighter, hit that subscribe button. Next week, I'm showing you the exact portfolio I use to automate my wealth building. See you then.